Hi, this is attorney Matt Shupe from Balin Law, here to talk a little bit about some of the things I learned at the recent NOSCR 40th Anniversary Conference in New Orleans. NOSCR stands for the National Organization for Social Security Claimants Representatives. It's basically our professional union for lawyers that do this sort of disability work across the country. Uh, Probably my biggest takeaway from NOSCR, if I had to pick one, was I learned about a new regulation that requires judges to take judicial notice of all forms of reliable job data published by the federal government, which sounds really confusing, but this is what it looks like in practice for us. So, towards the end of a disability hearing, a vocational expert comes and testifies about whether or not you could do any of the work you've done in the past and whether or not there are any other jobs out there that you could do on a full-time basis. And traditionally, they'd use two sources of information: the Dictionary of Occupational Titles and the Selected Characteristics of Occupations. This regulation basically says that some of the newer and more up-to-date studies that have been done by the government, such as ONET and OcuCollect, are as reliable sources of information. So it basically gives me new information to use in the hearing that a disability judge has to accept as gospel. So if I don't like the testimony I get from the vocational expert based on the Dictionary of Occupational Titles, I could say, well, that was last updated in 91. What about this over here? Would you consider this a reliable source of information? If yes, maybe I can get some better testimony, turn a close case that was going to be a loss into a win. I've already experimented with this, and the judge and the vocational expert were surprised by it, and sometimes sometimes that's a good thing. Bringing a fresh angle to a case and keeping them on their toes. But the one time I've tried it since the conference, it worked out, and it took what could have been a loss to a win. So I'm pretty pleased with it, and really glad I picked that tidbit up at NOSCR. Thank you so much. Have a great day.